Okay, now I'm going to just go ahead and format the text. Realize as you format the text, it's going to throw off the size of the text, the numbers, and as a result, it might not fit inside of these cells or the widths anymore. You know the solution to that. Just go ahead and double click or resize the columns and all fit. So I'm coming up here, I'm going to go to Fontana, Sellers, and In. Now, I can go ahead right now and click and apply a font size and a font. So let's say I want 20, and let's say I want, come on, Arial. Okay? So I'm going to find Arial. There we go. You pick what you want. See how it are, and let's just say I want to apply this as bold. Notice how when you pick on a cell, and I haven't highlighted anything in the cell, it automatically applies all those changes to everything inside the cell. But we also see here that Fontana is in red, and Sellers and In is smaller. So I'm going to come up here actually to my, I can make the changes here inside, or I can make it up here in the FX, the function line. And so I'm highlighting inside, I'm going to just do it here in the function line. Click, hold, drag. I'm actually going to make this, how about 18? I'm going to go to color. I'm going to do brick red. I'm going to go to Fontana. Oops, I just messed up. Doesn't matter, I can change it anyways. So that one's at 18. I'm going to go to this one, Sellers and In. I'm going to make that, I don't know, 16 or 14. See what 16 looks like. Nope. I'm going to go to 14, 14, and then I'm going to go ahead and make it blue. So here's the font, blue. There we go. And I'm going to make it a dark blue. Here's dark blue. I like it. Fontana, Sellers and In. I need it to be italics. And I think that's good. Sellers and In might even be a little bit smaller, but I think it's fine. Now quickly, I'm just going to go on to the others. This one here, how about I go to make it bold? It is. It's not. So I'm going to go bold, blue. How does it look? Come on, bold. Blue, Arial. There's Arial. And I think that one's good. Year ended June 30th. How about a light gray? You got the hang of this, just go ahead and do it. Year ended June 30th, make it bold, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. So if the other one was 14, I'm going to make this one 10. No, it can be bigger than that. Maybe it's the fact that it's all capitalized. I'm going to go undo, just leave it the way it was. Then, income, statement, data in thousands. I'm going to use the same gray for that to be consistent. I'm going to use a smaller size, 10. I'm going to take first quarter through fourth quarter. I'm going to go ahead and make those all bold. They're now bold. I'm going to have to reformat this third. See how it's not centered, but I'll deal with that one in a minute. Then I'm going to get net revenue is also bold, total yearly revenue, and my numbers aren't bold. And then I think I'm looking good. The only thing that's off right here is these, so I'm going to double click just to resize them. Now that I changed all the font and font colors, and now I think it looks pretty good. Got my green statement. I'm going to hit save, move on to the next step.